Hey everybody, Dr. Nelson here. This is a video about how to write an equation from standard form to vertex form. So the first couple pages you're going to take notes with me, and then you have a chance to try a problem on your own, and then at the end you can see how you did. Alright, so here we have the equation y equals 8x squared minus 16x plus 27, and this is written in standard form. And we want to rewrite this equation so it's in vertex form. And here's the format of vertex form. So over here it says we know A, B, and C. So we know that the A value is 8. We know the B value is negative 16. And we know the C value is 27. So again, when it's in standard form, that's pretty easy to figure out. But to write this in vertex form, we need to know the A value, the H value, and the K value. All right. Now here's some good news. The A value in the standard form is the same value as the A in the vertex form. Okay, so the A is the same for both. And then to get the H and K value, this is just the coordinates of the vertex. Alright, so the A value is the same, and then the H and the K value, those are just the values of the vertex, where the H is the X and the K is the Y value. Alright? So let's just jump right into a problem here if you turn the page. So here we have the function y equals 5x squared minus 40x plus 67. And we want to write it in vertex form. So I know for a fact that the A value is 5, right? So I can replace this A with a 5. So y equals 5 times x minus h squared plus k. So that first step is pretty easy. Now, to get the h value, I need to find the x value of the vertex. Okay, you should know by now that to get the x value of the vertex, it's negative b all over 2a. So in this case, our b value is negative 40. So negative b is going to be 40 over, and our a value is 5. So 2 times 5 is 10. And then 40 divided by 10 gives us a 4 value. Okay, so we know our h value is going to be a 4. So let's write that in. So y equals 5 times x minus 4 squared plus k. Alright, so the last variable we need to solve for is k. Remember, that's the y value of the vertex. So to get that, I need to plug in this x in for this x here, and then also this x here. So let's see, 4 squared is 16, and 16 times 5 gives us an 80. And then negative 40 times 4 is negative 160. And then plus 67. And when I do 80 minus 160 plus 67, we get a sum of negative 13. So I know this value here for k is going to be negative 13. So altogether it's going to be y equals 5 times x minus 4 squared minus 13. And there it is. And if you go to some graphing website like desmos.com, if you type in this function in standard form and then also this function in vertex form, you're going to notice that it's the exact same graph. Alright, so now that you understand how to convert from standard form to vertex form, why don't you pause the video and try the your turn problem now, and then when you're done, hit play and you can see how you did. Alright, good luck. Alright, welcome back. Let's say you do this practice problem. Okay, so hopefully you graphed both equations to see if it's right. But anyways, let's convert this function from standard form to vertex form. So we know the a value of the standard form function is 5. So I can replace this a here with a 5. So y is going to equal 5 times x minus h squared plus k. And now to get the h value, remember that's the x value of the vertex. So to get the x value of the vertex, it's x equals negative b over 2a. So in this case, negative b is going to be a positive 10, right? So 10 over 2a is going to be at 10. So 10 divided by 10 is 1. So we're going to have y equals 5 times x minus 1 squared plus k. And then remember, this k value is the y-intercept, is the y value of the vertex. So to get that, I'm going to take this x value and plug it in for all these x's. the x here, and also the x here. So we're going to end up with 5 times, well, actually be 1 squared times 5 is 5, minus 10 times 1 is 10, so 5 take away 10, and then plus 37. So 5 take away 10 is negative 5, and negative 5 plus 37 gives you a positive 32. So that's going to be our k value. So I'm going to replace this k with a 32. So we end up with 5 equals 5 times x minus 1 squared plus 32. And there's our equation written in vertex form. All right, how'd you do?